Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on GMT. Recently, GMT has broken down another symmetrical triangle, and in today's video, we will take a look at this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because there I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me to show you this hourly time frame chart. And here we have been following different patterns that GMT has been forming. Like here, we had this pattern. This was an ascending triangle. GMT broke it out and even broke out the next resistance levels as well. We had a nice rally, and then GMT formed this falling wedge pattern and again broke out, had another nice rally. Here it formed another falling wedge pattern but did not break it down, and from there it formed another symmetrical triangle and broke it down with the powerful sell volume. And after this drop, GMT formed another symmetrical triangle and broke down the support. Here GMT formed another down channel and we broke out the channel. We had a small rally. The target was here at the top of the channel, approximately at $2.15, but the price line moved up to $1.75 and could not continue its move. And now if we switch to the 4-hour time frame from here, then GMT has formed this symmetrical triangle, and recently it has broken down another support of this newly formed symmetrical triangle. Now if we watch the target to the downside after this breakdown, and that can be here, that is approximately 80 cents, and we can see that the price line has already tested this, moved up to this target, and from 80 cents it is bounced back. And why it is bounced back, let me just show you this chart once again. And here we can see that we have this last support on this chart. This is by the way hourly time frame chart, and here I'm showing you the most recent in the short term support and resistance levels. But this 80 cents is a very long-term resistance support. Now let me just switch this chart to the daily time frame, and here we can see this is the 80 cent support, and previously it had been working as a resistance here, as a resistance here, as a resistance here. And if I remove these trend lines, then you can see exactly almost here it has tested the support, moved up, and again moved down. So here we are likely to form a double bottom formation. You can see we tested the support here, we had another move, and now we are testing the support once again. And like the way it is getting bounced from the support, it is likely to form a double bottom formation here. Now at the same time, if we take a look at this RSI oscillator, then we can see when we had this bounce here, we can see that RSI was entered the oversold zone, and this time when we took another bounce from the support, RSI again touched the oversold zone. RSI is also showing us that the market of GMT was here oversold, and here oversold again, and the stochastic was here oversold, and now here once again stochastic has entered the oversold zone, and soon we are going to receive a bull cross or buying signal from the stochastic. Like this blue line is going to cross up this orange line, that will be the buying signal from the stochastic. And especially when we are having such supports, some strong supports, and stochastic is already entered the oversold zone, then such buying signals by the stochastic oscillator can be important. And we can also see that on the 4-hour time frame chart, Bitcoin is also testing the support of this descending triangle. Therefore, I'm expecting that once Bitcoin will be able to have another reversal move from here to the resistance, or if it will break out the resistance, then GMT will form a powerful double bottom formation. Like it just seems to be forming a double bottom, but it can be another confirmation that GMT has formed a double bottom, and now after having this formation of this double bottom, that is a very powerful bullish reversal signal or move, GMT can soon break out all these resistance levels and move back up to this resistance to make another attempt to break it out. However, right now we are moving approximately at $1, and this final resistance will be here at $3.80. And let me show you the recent a short-term support and resistance level. We can see that we were breaking down the support of $1.03, and this was working as a support here. And if we move back, then here it was working as a support. And after that, we will have the next resistance in the short term that will be at $1.25. It was working as a support here recently on the hourly time frame chart, and here as well. And then we will have the next resistance here at $1.55, and recently it was also having a movement between this support and resistance, and it was working as a resistance. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because there I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.